Okay, yay, we are live. Okay, first time I use YouTube live. Okay. Right. Okay, we want to share that for the time trading for US 30 is supposed to trigger long at 39 to 35. So it triggered yesterday during FOMC, after FOMC, and now it is trading at 39600 plus. Okay, wow, it was really amazing. It's going up, right? So for US 500, okay, right, first time I'm using YouTube Live. Okay, the trigger point is 5185. Again, it's very amazing because the moment it hit, now it's at 5251. Wow, okay, really, really a lot, right? Amazing, amazing. All right, so there's only one direction to go, and that is to go long. Yeah, yes, because it's very bullish, right? Okay, you can't really short because all the indicators are indicating that it's actually quite bullish. Yes. So according to Max, that it will only come down after early April, and we don't know how much it will come down. Okay. Right. Okay. So the next thing we'll look at is our 3-minute trading. Okay, and today we will try to trade the US 30. Yeah, really unexpected. I actually thought it would come down, but it didn't. Okay, it still continue to go up. Okay, no choice. So most likely the next round for it to correct maybe early April. Okay, right. So this is the 5:30, 9:30 market open. Okay, right. We can maybe look at two indices. Okay, US 500 also. In fact, we can look at two at the same time. Okay. Yes. Okay. You can look at two indices at the same time. Okay, this is US 30. Okay, and this is US 500. You can see the two screen. Okay, now the candles are sloping upwards before market open. So in this case, we will not trade. Okay, we only take a trade when the candles are consolidating. All right. Okay, so we will see how it goes when market open in 5 minutes time. So for us, you look at every 15 minutes, every 15 minutes, and see whether there's a possible trade for us. So at 9:30, you can see that the candles are sloping upwards, right? The 9:30 line is the tick line, okay? So for this case, we will not enter the trade because it can be a little bit, yeah. We this price level is not so, it's quite high, okay? So for us, I can tell you that the trend forward is quite straightforward. Yeah, it's up. Okay, but we don't want to enter here, you see, because we don't know, may not be that profitable. We'll look for it to come down. Okay, wait for it to come down a little bit. Then we, okay, so wait for it to come down a little bit. Hopefully, right, most likely it will come down a little bit before it go up. Okay, so we are looking for that. Hopefully that happens, right? Okay, so this is what we are targeting. Okay, so the direction of the market is up. Okay, without most is up. Okay, so we wait for when market open for it to come down a little bit, then we buy at the lower point. Okay, to all the way up. Okay, market is very bullish, but I may be wrong because a lot of people may be expecting a bullish market, so they actually may buy during market open. But there will be another group which thinks that it should come down because yesterday it went up a lot already, right? So it's quite possible that they may short also. All right. So we follow what the market give us. Okay. So the signal is very bullish. All right. High can be higher. Right. Okay. So just follow the market. Don't try to follow. Don't try to go against the market. Okay. You get be quite bad. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Yeah. So I'm repeat. Okay, so I'm expecting that the market will be open, right? When market open, okay, 9:30 is the ticker line, okay, right? So we'll try to trade US 30 and US 500 side by side. You can see that the two indices are going along in a very similar manner, and the candles are sloping upwards before the market open, so we will not take a trade. So I'm expecting when market open, the price may come down a little bit. Okay, then from there we can take a long trade. Okay, the market direction generally should be up, right, until perhaps early April. Okay, so maybe early April it will try to correct. So that's according to time trading. Okay, those who are attending time Max webinar today, at least he's having a webinar today, right? So you will hear from him that, yeah. So the next changing date will be 2nd and 3rd of April. So hopefully that day we will see a correction. Yeah. Any question? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay, we'll see how the market behave. Okay, as expected, then it come down. So that's why normally for sloping candles, we try not to take a trade because you will not be able to tell whether to buy or to sell. Okay, so this is why I expected it actually came down. Okay, let me take away the arrow. Okay, nobody joining. That's okay. You can on the indicator. Okay, so I'm expecting the price will come down a little bit before going up, right? So how do we enter? We can actually use the indicator to help us. Okay, the indicator that I'm using is actually the QQE, right? Okay, but right now it's still switches. Okay. Oh wow, so fast, go up already. Okay. Oh, US 30 is okay going up, but US 500 is still coming down. Okay. Right, and the long signal is up. All right. Okay, so for US 30, well, yeah, you can do a long here, right? You can see it's very bullish. Okay, so same thing for US 500. When it come down a little bit, maybe that's on the signal. Okay, it's already quite bullish. Okay, yeah. So for US 30, you can actually try to long here, right? Okay, US 500, you can see that it's a short. Okay, yeah. Okay, so long here, you will try to place a long trade here. Okay, yeah. For US 500, we'll wait for it to come down, right? Okay, right. So this will be the level that I will, okay, do a long. Yeah. So let me put my trades. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. So for US 500, we will just wait. Okay, we'll just wait. Right. Well, I think it can hit 40,000 for. Okay, we'll wait for the pattern to come up. Okay, this is US 30, which is going up. Okay, hello. I think today Max is holding a webinar, so that's why a lot of webinar. Okay, as I was saying that the general market direction is long, but when market open, the price usually will come down a little bit as I expected. Okay, so US 30, I'm trying to go long here. Okay, right. So for US 500, we can sort of assume that here is a bottom pattern. We'll wait for a while. Okay, so US 30 is flying already. Okay, so it's normal lah. When you want to go up, okay, this is what my prediction. Okay, I may be wrong, but it will come down a little bit, then it will go up again. Okay, we'll see how it goes. Yeah. So I'm looking at two indices side by side. Okay, US 30 is very bullish. Okay, US 500 will come, but just have to be a bit patient. So what I did is I on my indicator. So once the indicator turns long, right, I can actually go for it. Yeah. Okay, because yesterday FOMC, I think the news is very favorable. Okay, well, you can do a long here also if you want to. Okay, right, and then cut loss will be here. Okay, right, right. So for such a bullish market, right? So what we do is that usually when market open, it will come down a little bit. So we wait for it to come down, and then we try to catch at the lower price. Okay. So far for US 30 is working very well. Okay. Right. So now waiting for US 500 also. Right. Okay. Yeah. I think from the way we go, the market may actually hit 40,000. I think no problem, almost no problem to hit 40,000. Okay, yeah. Okay, looks good. So what you can do is that you long at this level, right? Okay, then you can put you can put a positive stop loss a little bit higher. This so that in case it whipsaw, it will not. You'll still have a few dollars. Yeah. Okay, so same thing here. Okay, put a positive stop loss here. Okay, you can see there's really very bullish. Okay, but over here we are doing short-term trading, so we won't be taking a lot of profit. Okay, I see whether it can go up to. Do you think it will hit 40,000 today? Yeah. Hi. Any question? Thanks for being here. Yeah, it's up. Very exciting. US 30 is very nice. Okay? Yeah. It looks good, right? So we are already in profit, like 10 minutes into market open already. Okay? So hopefully it continue to go up, but if it comes down, then okay, let's put a positive stop loss here. Hold on. Okay. So usually if let's say I put a positive stop loss, I will also buy at the level that I put a positive stop loss. So my level will get higher and higher, but it's okay because I will continue to be positive. That's my trading style, because yeah, okay. So for me is I'll put a positive stop loss at maybe 720. Yeah. Okay, my entry price is about 700. Then I will set another buy order at 39720. That's how I do it. Okay, yeah, US 500. So they are both moving very well. All right, okay, right. Okay, we'll let it run. Okay, we'll take about, set the profit about, it looks very bullish. Right, okay, set a profit about 900, 39900. Okay, then US 500, maybe another 10 to 20 pips. Hold on, let me set. Okay, it's really very strong. You can see that the wow, run. I cannot believe it. I thought so high already. Wow, still can go so high. But that's how the market works. High can become higher. Okay, so don't use our logical mind to try to interpret. Okay, yeah. So what you can do is that you can shift the positive stop loss higher, okay, if you want to. Yeah. So my profit taking is about, for US 30 is about 150, yeah, 150 and so on. Okay, so for US 50, about 10, 20 points. Yeah, so that's my target. Okay, now I teach you how to trade. Well, it's running, let it run. Okay, it may come down a bit, that's normal. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, I teach you how to actually trade Nikkei index. Okay, because I seems to observe Nikkei index having a very profitable, okay, time in the early morning. So I want to share this. All right. So for Nikkei, I noticed that if you are available, okay, if you're available, you can try to trade between 7 to 8. Okay, between 7 to 8. It looks good. Okay, it looks good during that time. But I haven't really tried it before because 7 to 8 usually my schedule doesn't allow it. So if you can do try it out and see whether it works for you. And the timing, we can actually use the indicator, session indicator. So in the session indicator, there is this white portion between 7 to 8. Okay, 7 to 8. So usually between 7 to 8, the candles will be side by side. Okay, so we will try to take the highest and lowest point of the candle, okay, and do a trade. Okay, and do a trade. All right. Okay, the ATR at that moment is 19. Okay, yeah, so the buffer is, yeah. Okay, we have to take the highest buffer. Okay, highest buffer. Yeah, okay. We'll take about, yeah, can. Okay, so it seems to set up quite okay. This part a bit whipsaw. Okay, 7 to 8. So you all can try. Okay, today one maybe not so good. Okay, but other days I think looks okay. Yeah, can. Yeah, it will trigger long, and then it will go all the way up. One thing about Nikkei is that it doesn't. It's not like Hong Kong where it go up. It whips all a lot. This one quite steady. If it decided to go up, it will go all the way up. It decided to come down, and come down all the way down. So the price movement is not as volatile as some of the index like Hong Kong or Nifty. Okay, so let's go back to maybe just now what I saw is Friday, right? On this day is Thursday. Okay, so you can use the indicator called session. All right, so between 7 to 8, you can see a row of candles there. This day is very good. So I observe for Nikkei for this week, from Monday to Thursday, it is this pattern. Only Friday is a little bit sideways. Okay, so you can take the highest and the lowest. All right, and then use the ATR as a buffer. Okay, and you can see that the trade is really quite good. Okay, it's not a bit sideways but still is, if you buy for the day, generally you will make. So I thought it's a very stable index to share with all of you. Okay, all right. So now let's look at maybe Wednesday. All right, so same thing. Okay, so you see a row of candles between 7 to 8. I haven't really tried it before, but I observed that there seems to be quite a good pattern. All right, okay, and if you buy, okay, what's the ATR is about 40, right? 40. Okay, can be, okay, both buy and sell can profit a little bit. Okay, if you buy, is it quite good? Okay, so that's something that I like to share with members, right? You can actually try and see whether it works. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's go back to our trade and see what happens. Right. Okay, you can see that. Wow, you can see it's very bullish. Okay, yeah, very bullish. So it should not be a problem. Maybe can hit 40,000 today. All right. Okay, US 500 a bit slow. Okay, that's why I like to trade Dow Zone better. Okay, off the indicator. Okay, right. So you can see that it's really quite good. Yeah. So wait for a while and see whether you can hit 800. That's okay. Yeah. Thanks for joining. Right. So generally it's long. The way forward, I think the market will continue to be bullish for this week and next week. Okay, so when the price go down a little bit, if you long over here, it's fine. For US 500, I think you long is quite fine. Okay, the should be a long signal. It should be bullish for another one more week. Okay, so we expect the correction to come in around early April, right? Early April. Oh, come down already. Okay, not to worry, it come down already, because I put a positive stop loss. Okay, then you can re-enter again, or you average out. So hopefully nothing should go wrong, right? It should actually be bullish. Okay, right. So thank you. I think that's all. We'll wait for a while. I think that's all for what I want to share. Right? Don't worry if the price come down. Okay, it's normal. And in fact, it's come down, then you can long again. All right. Well, just now was very good. So if you have long here, from here to here, wow, from here to here, enough already. Huh? 10 minutes into the market open, you already earn quite a bit already. Huh? Yes. So for me is yeah. Okay, so that's all for today. And Nikkei, Nikkei between 7 to 8. All right, Singapore time, you can try to trade. All right. Okay, that's all. Thank you.